Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video we are unboxing and taking a look at the Cat Mythos Magick Oracle. This is by Catherine C. Caprino, illustrated by, forgive me if I am mispronouncing everyone's name, but Kaleriia Tverdoklib? Hopefully I'm saying that right. I do apologize if I am not. This is published by US Game Systems. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way. I'm so excited. I am a cat lover. I'm a little obsessed, so I'm excited to see what this brings. This retails for $22.95 in the US, and of course, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. All right, let's get into it. You've picked up this charming oracle deck because one or more of these mystical cats has chosen you as its human companion. Each brings its natural magic to enhance your own psychic abilities. Their energy wards off negative vibrations and brings you good luck, protection, comfort, and support. Whether you relate to the mischief maker or a contemplative cat, each offers a delightful story and insightful message to guide you to the answers you seek. It includes 45 cards and a 104-page illustrated guidebook. Oh my gosh, so cute. We've got some fun animal print on the side there. Oh my goodness, look at the back. Adorable. Okay, let's take a peek at the guidebook real fast to see if there's anything we need to know before utilizing this. As you scan these cards to discover your personal favorite, notice the gentle messages each has to offer. Culled from thousands of years of legend from ancient Egypt, the Far East, Asia, and Europe, these powerful thoughts are meant to guide you and open you to the answers that you seek. I love that. Oh, it goes straight into the card meanings. Just want to take a peek at the back. Yes, we do get some spreads here. 9 Lives spread, the Curious Cat spread, and then about the author, and the Mythos and Magic team credits. Cute. Oh, a very special dedication goes to illustrator Kaleriia Tverdoklib, a Ukrainian citizen who, during the creation of this deck, was forced to flee her home and take refuge from the war in Warsaw, Poland. Solidarity with Ukraine. All right, let's get this open and I will see you in just a second. Okay, there's that back. Look at how cute. Cardstock is US Game Systems cardstock. Love it. Very flexible, but snaps back. It is not on the thin side. It's more between a medium thickness. There is a slight glare, so I wouldn't call it a high gloss, but there's still some gloss to it. Oh my God, it's so cute. So we have the number and the title down below. No borders, just that little space there. Love it so far. Oh my gosh. Okay, mute me now. I'm warning you. Just mute me now if you don't want to hear me oogle and google over these. Absolutely precious. I love the addition of the paw prints there, the little beans. Oh, is that a Maine Coon? These are just little working guys, you know? They're so cute. I'm going to see if I can find cats that look similar to mine. Always have to do that when it comes to these cat decks. This art is fun. Oh, similar. Beautiful. This art is beautiful. So fun. I love that you can kind of tell the canvas is still there from the original art. Oh my goodness. So we have a lot of stray cats in our neighborhood. Our neighborhood is pretty big and we are very cat friendly. So we all have taken them in. We all have shared custody. They all get very well taken care of. Oh my gosh. Oh, this looks like one of our strays. We call him Bach. Oh, there's a similar one to my Lottie girl. I'm loving the keywords or title. Oh my goodness. Just loving the art. It's like almost realistic, but it still has that playful energy. Oh. Yeah, this is one that I'm going to be utilizing a lot for myself for sure. Oh. Oh my goodness. I can't. Oh. Oh. Listen, I'm sorry. I told you. I told you to mute me. Easily one of my favorites that have been released so far this year. Just want to boop the nose, you know? Oh. Ooh. Oh, the Nazca lines. Oh man, that's a wild rabbit hole to go down. Oh my goodness, could you imagine? I would just sit right there and be there all day spending time with those cats. Okay, well this deck is just beyond precious. I'm so excited right now. Wonderful shuffle. All right, overhand. Oh yeah. Can we get a card to read, please? We're gonna do the Contemplative Cat there. That one I saw first. Number 44. Oh, those paw prints. Okay. Contemplative Cat. Preparation. So the message. Awareness, preparation, and action. Think about the change you desire to create. Mythos. Share your thoughts with Contemplative Cat. She will whisper your next steps for the change you desire. Give deep thought to the situation at hand. You are being called to step up. You cannot create a new reality without preparation and motion. What next step is Contemplated Cat suggesting? Contemplation. Cats can spend hours thinking. Do you ever wonder what goes through their minds? Yes, some of them I'm quite concerned about. They seem to naturally fall into an almost meditative state. Part of the process of change, contemplation is the deep, thoughtful state that brings you to the next steps of preparation before action. Oh, I love this. Okay, so so each one is different. So it's not all, contemplation and preparation. So that's great. So it is Hecate. Oh my gosh. Okay. I am so excited to get to know this more on a personal level. The art is stunningly beautiful. It's just in that right sweet spot where it's fun and cute, but almost realistic. I see multiple cats that I know in this deck, and it's just so fun. I love that it involves all the tales from around the world. It gives us kind of something to journal off of or think about. Definitely a great daily pull deck. I think this would be adorable with the cat tarot. There's a few animal decks that this would be adorable to go alongside with. All in all, oh my gosh, I can't. It's just so adorable. It's so fun. It's fresh without feeling like it's it's another cat deck. It's a different take on a cat deck, which I appreciate. This is so fun. Oh my God, I can't. This is so fun. Okay, I'm going to stop rambling because we know it's cute, Natasha. So thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way. Like I said, I cannot wait to get to know it deeper. Thank you all for hanging out with me today. What are your thoughts on this deck? Is this something you're intrigued by, interested in? Are you a cat person? Do you like that it also involves mythology and stories and tales? Let me know and drop your favorite cat emoji in the comments below. Thank you so much again to US Games and for you all for hanging out with me today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.